I'm Maria Porro, and I have many different hats. I graduated as a set designer, and I work in this field for many years. And then I started to take care of the family business, which is a typical design furniture producer based in Italy, who started more than almost 100 years ago. And then I became president of Salone del Mobile Milano, which is probably the most relevant design event in the world. And for this aspect, I share many different, let's say, connection with people that come from different fields. From theater to cinema to design to the real production, and I think that this is the reason why I've been involved in this incredible project. The concept of atmosphere is more and more relevant nowadays because the designers, the architects are starting to understand that their role is not only designing spaces or objects, but thinking about the atmosphere that is within the space. So what traditionally was part of more like the show business, starting from theater, from the ancient times to cinema or to interactive museums, now is more and more part of the actual practice of architecture and design. And that's why it's becoming so relevant, but also because it's a way to better promote not only products, but also an approach, a way of living, a thought on design. I strongly think that there's a growing market demand for this kind of profiles, let's say, which have to, be nourished by different disciplines. They have to be able to, cross-pollinate, really, because the application of atmosphere design is not only in architecture or as it was on the show business, but is more and more evolving any disciplines, any aspect of our daily life. But also because there's a development of the digital experience, and there's also a role in this huge field. At the same time, people are rediscovering the importance of physical experiences. That's why also in the hotellerie or in the urban design, the atmosphere is part of a good project. The atmosphere design is definitely one of the strongest ways today to let the people not only understand but live through what a brand value is. Think about Salone del Mobile and the week of Salone in Milano. It started as a fair with a simple object, and then companies understand that creating a real environment was vital to underline the value of the products. And then they understood that also creating an atmosphere which is made of the perfume that you smell, is made of the light temperature of the objects, but also of the food that you serve. It's creating the experience. Now we say in Italian Experienza, which is something so much better. And then this concept spread all around the city, and nowadays are not only the design brands which are creating this kind of atmospheres, but also fashion brands, automotive, and it's a way to let the people really live through, to walk through, to be immersed in the atmosphere that the brands want to communicate. This master finally answered to a demand, to a need that before every professional people had to, grab things from the different experiences. Now you have a place where develop your skills with the goal to succeed in this incredible, wonderful career. As a co-director of this new master in design atmosphere of Politecnico, I think what's the most intriguing aspect is really the multidiscipline approach. And the fact that you will have the chance not only to learn from very interesting people that have been working in this field since it was not so popular, So they're strongly rooted, and they were the one that really make this field develop. But you will also able to experiment yourself, to test your ideas. So what I like of the approach, generally speaking, is this theoretical and practical mix of elements, which is what you need.